Salam everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey through the bustling streets of Karachi, Pakistan, a city that pulses with energy and explodes with flavor. Our mission? To uncover the absolute best biryani spots this city has to offer. Get ready for steaming plates of fragrant rice, tender meat, and a symphony of spices that'll tantalize your taste buds. From age-old institutions to hidden gems tucked away in the heart of Karachi, we'll be diving deep into the world of biryani. We'll be exploring the history, the cooking techniques, and most importantly, the incredible taste of this iconic dish. If you're a die-hard biryani enthusiast, or just a curious foodie looking for your next culinary adventure, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates and content. Let's get started. Our first stop takes us to a true Karachi legend, Student Biryani. This place has been around for decades, and its reputation for serving up some of the most flavorful biryani in the city is unwavering. The aroma hits you the moment you step inside, a heady blend of spices, saffron, and slow-cooked meat. You can tell just by looking at the giant pots of biryani that this is a place that takes its food seriously. The biryani here is known for its rich, deep flavors and the perfect ratio of rice to meat. Each bite is an explosion of taste, with tender chunks of meat that melt in your mouth. It's no wonder this place has been a student favorite for generations. We opted for their classic chicken biryani, served with a side of raita, a cooling yogurt sauce that helps to balance the richness of the dish. And let me tell you, it was absolutely divine. Student biryani is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the true essence of Karachi biryani. Next up, we're diving into the world of seafood biryani at Biryani of the Seas. As the name suggests, this place is all about celebrating the bounty of the ocean in the most delicious way possible. Their specialty? You guessed it, seafood biryani. Imagine fragrant rice infused with the flavors of the sea, combined with succulent prawns, fish, or even crab. The seafood is incredibly fresh, and the spices are perfectly balanced to complement the natural flavors of the ocean. Each bite is a burst of freshness that will transport you straight to the shores of Karachi. We couldn't resist trying their signature prawn biryani, and it was an absolute revelation. The prawns were cooked to perfection, juicy, plump, and bursting with flavor. If you're a seafood lover looking for a unique and unforgettable biryani experience, Biryani of the Seas is the place to be. For those who like their biryani with a fiery kick, Madni Biryani is the place to be. This place is not for the faint of heart. Their biryani is known for its bold flavors and generous use of spices. As soon as you enter, the aroma of chilies, ginger, and garlic fills the air, awakening your senses and preparing you for the culinary adventure ahead. The biryani here is cooked with a special blend of spices that have been passed down through generations. It's this unique blend that gives Madni Biryani its signature flavor, a fiery, intense taste that will leave you wanting more. We braved the heat and went for their mutton biryani, and it was an explosion of flavor. The mutton was incredibly tender, and the spices were perfectly balanced to create a dish that was both spicy and incredibly flavorful. If you're a spice lover looking to test your limits, Madni Biryani is a must-try. Chapter 4. Ghaffar Kebab House, a biryani and kebab paradise. No exploration of Karachi's biryani scene would be complete without a visit to Ghaffar Kebab House. This legendary spot is famous not only for its incredible biryani, but also for its mouth-watering kebabs. The aroma of sizzling kebabs and fragrant biryani wafts through the air, creating an irresistible invitation that's hard to resist. Ghaffar Kebab House is all about tradition. Their biryani is cooked using age-old methods, resulting in a dish that's bursting with authentic flavors. We couldn't decide between the biryani and the kebabs, so we ordered both. The chicken biryani was incredibly flavorful, with tender pieces of chicken and perfectly cooked rice. And the kebabs? They were out of this world, juicy, succulent, and bursting with flavor. If you're looking to experience the best of both worlds, biryani and kebabs, Ghaffar Kebab House is the perfect destination. Chapter 5. Indus Biryani, a local favorite. Next, we're heading to Indus Biryani, a local favorite that's known for its rich flavors and generous portions. This place is always buzzing with activity, with locals and tourists alike flocking to get their biryani fix. Indus Biryani uses only the finest ingredients in their biryani, and it shows in the taste. The meat is always tender, the rice is perfectly cooked, and the spices are blended to perfection. We opted for their special Indus Biryani, which comes with a combination of chicken and mutton. It was a feast for both the eyes and the stomach. If you're looking for a hearty and satisfying biryani experience, Indus Biryani is definitely worth a visit. Chapter 6. Haji Biryani, a taste of tradition. For a taste of traditional Karachi biryani, Haji Biryani is a must-visit. This place has been serving up authentic biryani for generations, using recipes that have been passed down through the family. The moment you step inside, you're transported back in time. The aroma of spices fills the air, and the traditional cooking methods create a truly authentic experience. Haji Biryani is all about keeping things simple and letting the flavors of the ingredients shine through. Their biryani is cooked with minimal spices, allowing the taste of the meat and rice to take center stage. We tried their classic chicken biryani, and it was absolutely delicious. The chicken was incredibly tender, and the rice was cooked to perfection. It was a true taste of tradition. If you're looking for an authentic and unforgettable biryani experience, Haji Biryani is the place to be. Chapter 7. Biryani Center. Variety is the spice of life. Biryani Center, as its name suggests, is a haven for biryani lovers, seeking a wide variety of options. From classic chicken and mutton biryani to more unique offerings like beef, prawn, and even vegetable biryani, there's something here to satisfy every craving. The beauty of Biryani Center lies in its consistency. No matter which type of biryani you order, you can be assured of a flavorful and satisfying meal. Their commitment to quality is evident in every bite. The meat is always tender, the rice is perfectly cooked, and the spices are expertly balanced. We decided to sample a few different varieties, including their chicken tikka biryani and their vegetable biryani. Both were incredibly delicious and bursting with flavor. If you're looking for a place that offers both variety and consistency, Biryani Center is an excellent choice. Chapter 8. Jeddah Biryani, a unique and flavorful twist. Jeddah Biryani stands out from the crowd with its unique and flavorful take on this beloved dish. Their biryani is known for its slightly sweeter taste, which comes from the use of special spices and a touch of sweetness in their recipe. This unique flavor profile has earned them a loyal following of customers who swear by their biryani. We were intrigued by the promise of a different kind of biryani, so we had to try it for ourselves. We ordered their special Jeddah Biryani, which came with tender pieces of chicken and a generous sprinkle of fried onions. The first bite was a revelation. The sweetness was subtle yet distinct, adding a whole new dimension of flavor to the biryani. It was unlike any other biryani we had tasted before, and we couldn't get enough of it. If you're looking for a biryani experience that's a little different from the norm, Jeddah Biryani is definitely worth a try. Chapter 9. Karachi Biryani House, a celebration of authenticity. Karachi Biryani House is a testament to the city's rich culinary heritage. They pride themselves on serving up authentic Karachi-style biryani, using traditional recipes and cooking methods that have been passed down through generations. The aroma that greets you as you enter is enough to transport you to the heart of Karachi. It's a heady mix of spices, saffron, and slow-cooked meat, promising a truly authentic biryani experience. We couldn't resist ordering their signature Karachi Biryani, which came with a generous portion of tender mutton, perfectly cooked rice, and a side of raita. The biryani was everything we had hoped for and more. The flavors were bold and complex, yet perfectly balanced. The mutton was melt-in-your-mouth tender, and the rice was light and fluffy. If you're looking for a true taste of Karachi, look no further than Karachi Biryani House. Chapter 10. Noorani Biryani, where taste meets affordability. Our final stop takes us to Noorani Biryani, a popular spot that's renowned for offering delicious biryani at incredibly affordable prices. Don't let the low prices fool you. The quality of the biryani here is top-notch. They use fresh ingredients and traditional cooking methods to create a biryani that's both flavorful and satisfying. Noorani Biryani is a testament to the fact that you don't have to break the bank to enjoy a delicious plate of biryani. We ordered their chicken biryani, which was incredibly flavorful and filling. The chicken was tender, the rice was cooked to perfection, and the spices were perfectly balanced. It was a testament to the fact that you can find amazing food at any price point in Karachi. If you're looking for a budget-friendly biryani option that doesn't compromise on taste, Noorani Biryani is the perfect choice. Biryani Bliss. Until next time. Well, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Karachi's most mouth-watering biryani spots. From age-old institutions to hidden gems, we've explored the diverse flavors and aromas that make this city a biryani paradise. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your own biryani adventure in Karachi or wherever you are in the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more exciting updates and content. Now we want to hear from you. Let us know in the comments which biryani place is your favorite, or if we missed any must-try spots. Until next time, happy eating.